Yeah, throwing the old spinner bait around at Ben Chifley. Missed the old hook up and wind, didn't even think, but you know what, we got the first fish on the board. I reckon he's hooked alright, he wasn't getting off, he's hooked by both hooks. Oh, rod's got a cod and freaking redfin now. There you go, he's about 28-30 centimetres. Should have kept recording because it's the second 2 and 2 cast. Little school over here. Nice redfin. I can feel him fighting the way he's fighting. It's definitely a redfin. Yep, another decent sized one too. Nice little school over here. He's bigger. He's bigger, look at that. Yeah, he's 35 or something. Fuck, he smacked it. Both hooks in his mouth again. Come on, buddy, let me get this out. There we go. That one's a bit bigger. Beautiful. 2 and 2 casts. I'll keep recording because I'll probably get a freaking third and 3 and 3. The old spinnerbait. I threw the TN over there and got nothing as soon as I threw the spinnerbait. That's where I just chucked it, same spot. Like a little freaking and I'll let it sink for about 10-20 seconds. 2 and 2 casts. Alright, he's not getting 3 and 3. 2 and 2 is good enough, I guess. Can't. Yeah, I thought this time I'll keep recording. At least I got the fight on that one, like you got to see it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have a little video today now. By the way, I'm fishing with Zach. He's my cousin. I've got to catch up to him. He's pumped me on YouTube. Oh, I thought I'd let YouTube know. Oh, funny. I like it. That's gold. So they're moving up and down these freaking redfin, I'm guessing. Yeah. 2 and 2 casts. And that big fella that hit you, he's eating them. It was either a cod or a yellow. Could have been a cod now, I'm thinking, because of the freaking reddies here. Yeah. Yellows do smash them, but just not like the cod. Like the cod just go crazy on them. They love eating them. I'll try your way, see if they're moving down. Interesting. I'll go out this time. That's your phone, I think. Yeah. Remember, take it easy. We know now, eh? It's good.
Yep. Today was the slope. I went down and I had a big look too where the spots I'd walked before I went. I'm not making that mistake again.
That's it, mate. Safety first. Safety first. Oh, I've tried to keep recording and see if I can get one hitting, but as soon as I do that, nah. Alright, so I'll turn it back on if we get another one. I'll do another ready hit. Pretty sure young fella's up at the end of the rock wall, got a nice little cod, good on him. Nice little ready. That one compared to the other ones I caught. Boys, got a cod up there? Yeah. I could see it from when they pulled it in. I could tell by the fish. I just caught a little already. Yellow? Yeah. Good on him because I could see it. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah. Definitely a cod A shape. Good on him. That's what I like to see, young fellas like that. Getting into fishing, staying out of trouble. That's what you want. I've caught one or two there. He's releasing him. I'm pretty sure it's a cod, I can't see properly. Yeah, the boat out here and the jet ski allowed. Ready. Little reddies. Oh, I think I lost him. Oh no, he's still there. Real tiny. Oh no, he's just swimming towards me. There he goes. Got off then. Probably about 20, 25 that one. Every time, as soon as I stop recording, whack, hit.
Yeah, bro, it always happens,
Recording this time, so you watch. Nah. That's alright, at least the old YouTube can get the commentary. They understand. I'll get just, you know, not every time we come out, we aren't successful all the time. It might look like it because that's what when we only put our YouTube videos up. Sometimes we go fishless. But a lot of time, if you know what you're doing, you can sort of pinch a fish here and there. Giving it like, I'm mixing it up between 20 and 30 seconds with the TN. If you're just using a stumper, you just wind. Yeah, I'm letting them sink while I'm using the TN. Because it's nice and hot today, so I'm thinking around that 20 or 30 second area is probably the best at the moment. That's where I've been getting hit a lot. Bang, as soon as I'm recording, nothing. We'll get back to yours. He just grabbed me. It's a cod. Oh, stay up, buddy. You see that, guys? Nice cod. He's only just pin hooked. I've got to come back this way so I can get on the flatter ground. Oh well, 3 reddies and a cod today, even if I drop him.
Just to see it.
There you go, guys. I'll get the hook out and we'll freaking get back to you. Alright, well, as I was just shaking this off, he fell straight back down the drink, so I didn't get a good look at him, but you've all got to see him. He was about a 50 centimetre cod, so we got a cod on the board today. Just had a really big guy follow me up here. I'd say he's 80 centimetres plus. I'm still pestering this spot, hopefully he comes back. He scared the hell out of me, that's how big he was. I freaking saw him at the last second as I pulled my lure out of the water, and his big buff head scared the hell out of me. So hopefully we can get him to chase back and we can get him, because he's a freaking big boy. Old Zach's on the board with a cod too now today. I'm on a snag. Something took me into the snag, don't know what it was, but right now I don't care. I'm coming over to see Zach's fish. If I can get over without dying, because Zach nearly died on this rock wall the other week. You got to be careful on this thing. So we've got 5 redfin for today. 4 redfin I mean. And 2 Murray cod off this rock wall.
Gen lure from kayaks to fish, doing the damage.
Well, hold on, I nearly fell.
Yeah.
Alright, so there you go, with me and Zach both on the board. We're just here on the rock wall here at Ben Chifley. 2 cod, 4 redfin at the moment. We've only been here for about an hour. So we're going to keep going and hopefully we can get more. Alright, we're getting his little release here. We didn't get the release on my one.
Here we go.
And there we go.
Sending him back on his way. There we go, little buddy. Nice.
There we go, 2 natives today. Ooh. And then we've still got 4 redfin. I've caught 3 and Zach's got 1, so, and then a cod each. So this is going unreal. Good day today. Another little one, I think. Yeah. Second cod for today. Nice little one. He's only just hooked, so I should be able to get him out. Look at that, guys. Natives are on. Ah, gonna fall. Fall backwards, that's better, because you don't want to go in that drink. There you go, guys. Have a good look at him. Even if he gets off, I'm happy for him to get off. Only a little bubba. He's small compared to the one I caught earlier.
Oh, there's another cod. Eric's on. Cheering. Excellent day.
There you go. That's 3 cod today for me and Zach. 2 for me, 1 for Zach. He'll probably get another one. But we've also caught for 5 reddies between us. He's got 2 and 3, so it's just freaking flying on today. On the old TN. There you go, guys. Beautiful mother.
They love you.
And he's kicked out and then off he goes. I was going to show the blokes up there, but he kicked out on me, but he's back in the water nice and safe. They just hit out of nowhere. But very stoked. He's going to get a nice freaking video today. I haven't freaking posted a good one like this for a while, so I am stoked. Woo!
Had
a decent day out at Chifley. Now we're heading into the river for the late boy at the river to see what we can do at the river. Alright. Nice and successful. Alright. Now we come down to the local river, just down near the Denison. Had a decent fish at Chifley and now we're here. So hopefully we can pinch a few here just like we did at Ben Chifley. Alright. Still going to have a crack. It's just that it's getting dark, so I'm going to put the GoPro away. End up catching something when it happens. Nothing at the river at the moment. A bit slow up the river. We got them a few days down here anyway. Got a few of them a few days ago. At least Ben Chifley fished well today, so I can't complain. Alright.